In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsync a Google Drive folder. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to stop a folder from syncing between your computer and Google Drive, which can be really helpful if you're running low on storage or just want to keep certain files local. Let's start by opening the Google Drive app on your computer. Look for the Google Drive icon in your taskbar on Windows or in your menu bar on a Mac. If you don't see it there, you can also open it from your Applications or Programs folder. Once you find the icon, click it to bring up the Drive menu. You should see a small window appear with your Google Drive status and some options. Next, you need to access the Preferences. In that small Google Drive window, look for the gear icon or a More Options button, usually shown as 3 vertical dots. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Preferences. This is where you control what gets synced between your computer and your Drive account. When the Preferences window opens, you'll see a few different sections or tabs along the top or left side. Go ahead and click on the tab labeled Folders. This is where Google Drive lists the folders that are currently set up to sync from your computer. Inside the Folders tab, look for a section called Folders from your computer or My Computer, depending on your version of the app. Here, you'll see a list of the folders that Google Drive is keeping in sync. Find the folder you want to stop syncing. When you've located it, simply uncheck the box next to that folder's name. This tells Google Drive that you no longer want changes in that folder to be uploaded or downloaded. Once you've deselected the folder, you need to confirm and apply the change. At the bottom of the Preferences window, click Done, and then click Save if you're prompted. This will update your sync settings. After you save, Google Drive will stop syncing that specific folder. The files that are already in the cloud will stay there unless you manually remove them, but new changes in that folder on your computer will no longer be uploaded. That's all there is to it.